Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have given you lots of browser mining based extensions, but I missed out one of the most talked about ones, Gradient Network. After Grass and Nodepay, this is the super popular and you may already be running their node. If you have missed out, don't worry, here I'll show you how you can join this airdrop. So the Gradient Network is a decentralized system that makes computing power and staking easier and cheaper. It connects blockchain networks like Ethereum and Tau to support AI and edge computing for everyone. Now the total funding details and information about this project are still undisclosed, but the project is backed by tier 1 investor Pantera Capital. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, at the time of making this video, they have around 793k followers, which is really a great number. And they are very active there, sharing their updates and information, so it's a good sign for a project building a strong community. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. First, you need to visit this page. I'll provide the link in the description. So then enter your email here. Click confirm and use this referral code to boost your extra points. After that, click get boosted. Next, set your password. Agree the terms and click sign up. Now you need to verify your email. So go to your email. Copy the code, paste it here, and then click verify. As you can see, our email is verified now. Now click open dashboard. Here you can connect your X account to get points. So I'll click here to download the extension. So as you can see, they already have 1 million users, which is really huge. So simply click add to Chrome and install it. Now open the extension. Here you can see the good sign, which means our extension is connected successfully. Now here's the rewards section, where you can see your achievements and status. You can also share your referral link with friends to boost your earnings. I'll give you updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.